Hello everyone, how are you? Nice to see you again. Thank you for stopping by. I'm here to do a really quick video about my latest project, about this journal. It's actually really simple, really plain. No tags, no pockets, no ephemeras, no anything. It's just, like a notebook, a place for you to write and keep your notes or whatever you wish, or decorate it as you wish. And it's done with printables from Tsunami Rose. It's soft cover, as you can see, with canvas fabric with roses, and it has two the signatures that I use the thread from the signatures to create this charm hanging as a book, how you call it, bookmark. You can place it inside and use it as a bookmark. It's, as I told you, extremely plain. Let me show you. The theme, it's all about roses, various types of roses, and it's all printables from Tsunami Rose Desiigns. They are not original. They are botanical looking. They are from a botanical book, I guess, but they are printables. They are not originals, and they are all from Daisy Collins, Tsunami Rose. And I will put a link below so you can go and have a look here. Amazing collection, because she has huge amount of printables for you to use in extremely low prices. And the theme, as I told you, is various types of roses. You know, the small ones, not the typical classical rose, the old type of roses. And it's really plain, no ephemeras, no nothing. It's like maybe you can call it naked journal. You can decorate it, or you can just use it to write on it. I have only do some flaps and added some washi tape on them. I want something extremely plain and simple. It's not a design tip project, so I just did it for fun, you know, as a gift. Very cute, and the size of it is very charming, and it's not too bulky and it's not too big. It's easy to use it. So that was a quick look, a quick flip through of this small but cute roses journal. Tell me what you think. It was nice seeing you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for all your love and support. Hugs and kisses. We'll speak soon, and I will put the links below to Tsunami Rose store and to that printables, because these printables were an ephemera pack. They are not, they're not pages. They are ephemera pack, but you can print them in any size you want. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Hugs and kisses. Stay safe and healthy. Bye bye.